He likes to be petted. You want a pet? Hi, sweet little pig. Can you come over here? Can you come over here? Come on. He won't hurt you. He's like, no, I'm smart. Too many little kids have poked at me before.
Mommy.
Ducks. Hi, ducks. Look, he's got a cup stuck to his nose. He got a cup stuck to his nose. That was pretty funny. You want to pet him? Hi. Hi, goat. No pushing, that's right. You tell them no pushing. Oh, look at this little one. He's so little. No pushing. Yes, you did. No pushing. That's right. No pushing. Hi.
No pushing. I'm a pet.
You want a pet? You can pet.
Hi.
Oh, he's soft.
Hi.
Hi. There's the big ones, huh? Those are pretty little though, even